It's David here at Tolliver RV in Brownfield, Texas. Looking today at the 2027 Sprinter 3950 SSP. Not sure what that stands for, the SSP, but SP side patio. It's a powered patio that folds out of the wall. Plus you have 4 slides on this magnificent fifth wheel. Let's take a look inside. Oh, here we are inside. Nice peninsula kitchen countertop, solid surface. Big 12-volt refrigerator, nice size oven, residential size microwave. Dinette setup with a couple of chairs you can move around. Push yourself away from the table if you need to. Large entertainment area with fireplace built in underneath. Sectional sofa. In the kitchen, I didn't pick up on the pantry. It was in the corner, so it's right there. Plus you have a coffee bar, more storage above that, drawers, trash can, all built in the very back. Let's pause before we get into the very back. Here's what your patio, your side patio looks like from the inside. Really opens this area up. Nice ceiling fan. Keep some wind blowing on you while you're relaxing in the entertainment media room. This is the second room. Call it whatever you want. That sofa makes out into a bed. It can be a bunk area. Step down into it here. Directly across, another TV. More storage, shirt closets. Nice sized window with blackout shades. Little coat rack. And with the assistance of a ladder, you can put a kid or two up here to sleep. This area has its own air conditioner, as does the living area and the master suite, which we'll make our way up into. Nice grab handle here to assist you getting into the area. Master suite bathroom has a nice skylight above. Good size shower. Vanity. 4 drawers, linen storage into the master suite. A little dark in here, sorry about this. 3rd air conditioner, queen size bed, dresser across from the bed, wardrobe storage with a shoe shelf behind, a spot for a washer and dryer. It's all plumbed. More drawers. This one, guys, thanks for having a look. Check out everything that we have to offer at tolliverrv.com. Thanks again.